This is Grandma's house.
Turned them in the dumpster, and a lot of them have.
It's really big.
I have gone through everything and picked up about
It's a big living room.
a tall tractor, electric commodity.
Grandma, say hi. Say hi.
Hi,
Okay.
who's that?
I'm videotaping. I'm going to send it to Aunt Mary. This is nice big kitchen. Nice big kitchen. Okay, this is bathroom. Bathroom. Nice, pretty roomy bathroom. Here is Grandma's room. Really big. Nice. Big closet. I don't really want to open it.